embracing ESG concept and adhering to digital transformation. At the historical intersection of the 200 years goal, China has entered a new era of digital economy. JST follows the national energy revolution and the development strategy of digital industrialization and industrial digitalization, takes the lead in layout of digitalization and smart manufacturing. With the spirit of the 20th National Congress, green development, harmonious coexistence between human and nature as the guide, the company pays more attention to environmental friendliness, social responsibility, and corporate governance, embraces ESG concepts, and firmly adheres to sustainable digital transformation, thereby becoming the pioneer of digital real integration and a model of double real enterprise. Innovating and developing under the general trend. As a scientific and technological innovation enterprise, JST formulates its development strategy following the direction of national development, continuously developing and manufacturing green energy equipment products. Thanks to the power gained from high-quality development, the annual revenue double increased from 2020 to 2022. Through scientific and technological innovation, a series of scientific research achievements have been successively achieved. More than 100 first sets of new products have been successfully developed in the industry, and 273 core intellectual property rights have been obtained. Under the deep integration of industrial internet, big data, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and manufacturing technology, digitalization and smart manufacturing are driving the R&D mode, manufacturing mode, and operation mode of JST firmly towards the fourth industrial revolution. The company is comprehensively developing into the fields of providing equipment and solutions for new energy, new power grid, energy saving, carbon reduction, energy storage, and also offering technical solutions and services for digital factories. Community with a shared future for society, enterprise, and employees. JST helps its employees become talents through career development and then makes its achievements with talent development. By sharing prosperity with the company, employees can truly enjoy the benefits of enterprise development. Communities with a shared future are formed between JST and upstream and downstream enterprises, promote JST's transformation towards digitalization and smart manufacturing, further maximizing its social value. Green smart manufacturing and high-quality development. In 2017, JST established the Institute of Smart Science and Technology, set up an elite team of information technology and digital technology. Carrying out in-depth research and continuous iteration of digital manufacturing technology, then integrated it into the research and development, manufacturing, business, and sales operations. Through the Smart Design Platform and Product Design Simulation, the digital twin of products was achieved. It is improved accuracy and high efficiency of product design. The amplification effect of the digital transformation on enterprise development was brought into full play. The total factor productivity of the company was greatly boosted accordingly. In 2020, JST designed and built HiCo high-end dry-type transformer digital factory, Guilin switchgear digital factory, Guilin high-end dry-type transformer digital factory, and Guilin energy storage digital factory. Wuhan high-end digital factory for dry-type transformers, energy storage equipment, and offshore wind power transformers will be put into operation in 2023. Up to then, JST have 7 digital factories, which means the production capacity is able to cover important economic regions of China. While promoting its digital strategy, JST also relies on its own technology and team resources to lead the digital transformation of both enterprises inside and outside the industry. In 2022, Eagle Rise Smart Manufacturing Digital Factory for photovoltaic power generation grid-connected equipment, designed and constructed by JST as the general contractor for the first time and put into operation. It has triggered the fission reaction of the industry's digital transformation and strongly contributed to the implementation process of National Industrial Digital Strategy. JST was selected as one of the Little Giant firms by the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology in 2020 and one of the Smart Manufacturing Pilot Demonstration Factories by 4 ministries in 2021. Owing to its quality management mode that combines digital manufacturing with excellent performance management, the company was also nominated for the China Quality Award. In 2022, with the leading advantages of technology, process, and digital manufacturing in the field of dry-type transformers, JST was listed as the National Single Champion Demonstration Enterprise in Manufacturing Industry, becoming the only enterprise that received such award since the establishment of Hainan Province. As the Earth's climate environment becomes more and more severe, reducing carbon emissions and promoting carbon neutrality has become a global consensus. China's leaders propose to strive to peak carbon by 2030 and carbon neutrality by 2060. JST builds rooftop photovoltaic power generation systems and industrial wastewater treatment systems in each R&D and manufacturing base, and carries out the strategy of manufacturing green equipment with green energy to help the country achieve the dual carbon goals. Value creation and new motivation cultivation. JST has gradually expanded from the traditional manufacturing industry in the past to high-end equipment manufacturing, new energy, and industrial digitization field development, with data to create value, iterative manufacturing model, and established a sustainable development model. JST actively responds to General Secretary Xi's dual carbon strategy, relying on its own manufacturing capabilities and technical advantages, EPC engineering capabilities, and is committed to building a clean energy demonstration base integrating wind, solar, and storage. At June 30th, 2023, JST invested in the completion of the first grid-side standalone energy storage power plant in Hunan Suining County, Shaoyang City, Hunan Province. The scale of storage power plant is 100 megawatts, 200 megawatt hours, which is the first commercialization of the JST all-liquid cooling and thermal management of the 35 kilovolt high voltage. This is a benchmark case of commercialization of direct hanging energy storage system technology. During the 14th five-year plan period, JST has laid out the digital factories of energy storage with Energy Storage Series products as the core, realized its digital transformation with 4 strategic paths, which are smart decision-making, data-driven, digital manufacturing, and digital service. In addition, JST promoted digitalization and the commercialization of digital solutions for smart manufacturing, smart factories, smart parks, etc., thereby enabling such business to become a universal digital manufacturing platform. Following its listing on the Science and Technology Innovation Board in 2021, JST successfully issued convertible bonds in 2022. Responding positively to the National Industrial Revolution strategy, the company created favorable conditions for progressing towards the goal of Made in China 2025. In the future, JST will focus on the digital technology of the hydrogen energy industry with hydrogen production and hydrogen energy application as the main axis, strive to become a superior enterprise in the hydrogen energy industry, and contribute to harmonious coexistence between mankind and the Earth, as well as sustainable development.